Have you ever tasted a dish that instantly transports you to the bustling markets of the Levant? Today, we are unlocking the mystery behind Baharat, the aromatic heart of Middle Eastern cuisine. Baharat, spelled B-A-H-A-R-A-T, literally means spices in Arabic. It is not just a single ingredient, but a finely crafted mixture of 7 to 8 distinct spices that serves as an 8 distinct spices, that serves as an 8 distinct spices that serves as an all-purpose seasoning staple across Arab and Greek cuisines. What makes this blend so special is its versatility. Whether you are cooking lamb, mutton, fish, chicken, or beef, Baharat acts as a powerful condiment that enhances the natural flavors of almost any protein found in Middle Eastern kitchens. When you combine these specific ingredients, the result is an aroma that is slightly spicy, strong, and possesses a distinct warm note. This complex profile is exactly what elevates simple stews into rich, flavorful masterpieces. You might see it labeled as 7 spice or Lebanese 7 spice on the shelf. It is crucial to distinguish this Arab blend from Japanese 7 spice, as Baharat is uniquely rooted in the culinary traditions of the Levant and Mediterranean regions. The true power of Baharat shines when used as a marinade. Its robust flavors are particularly effective at penetrating meats and vegetables, ensuring that every bite is seasoned deeply and aromatic long after the meal is served. In conclusion, this 7 to 8 spice blend is the flavor backbone of countless popular Arab foods. Mastering Baharat at home allows you to recreate these authentic, aromatic dishes right in your own kitchen. So now you know how this aromatic blend transforms simple ingredients into culinary art. Which meat do you think pairs best with Baharat? Let me know in the comments and subscribe for more deep dives into world cuisines.